10 scary hybrid animals, and some of them are downright terrifying. Imagine creatures that shouldn't exist, yet do. Hybrids so strange, so powerful, they blur the line between reality and nightmare, from the depths of the wild to the labs of scientists. These creatures combine the features of multiple species, creating hybrids that are both fascinating and frightening. Prepare yourself. Some of these will haunt your imagination.
What's what? Top 10 videos for the intentional.
Green sea slug Alesia chlorotica type, sea slug sacaglosan mollusk. Appearance, bright green, leaf-like body, small, 5 cm superpower. Photosynthesis, it steals chloroplasts from algae it eats and uses them to produce energy from sunlight, essentially becoming solar-powered. Habitat, coastal waters of the Atlantic, especially around the U.S. East Coast. Diet, algae, which provide the stolen chloroplasts. Fun fact, can survive weeks on sunlight alone without eating due to photosynthesis. 2. Tigon, the hybrid of the tiger and a lioness type. Big cat hybrid. Parentage, male tiger, civi, female lion. Appearance, striped like a tiger, but with the lion's mane pattern and facial features. Generally smaller than a liger size, usually smaller and lighter than ligers. Can weigh 150-230 kilograms, 330-500 pounds. Habitat, captive environments, zoos and wildlife sanctuaries, rare in the wild. Behavior mix of tiger and lion traits, can be social like lions, but also solitary tendencies from tigers. Reproduction, usually sterile like most hybrid big cats. 3. Jagli, the hybrid of a jaguar and a lioness. Type, big cat hybrid. Parentage, male jaguar, 7 female lion. Appearance, spotted like a jaguar with some lion-like features. Muscular build, large paws size, typically smaller than ligers but powerful. Weight around 90-150 kilograms, 200 and 330 pounds. Habitat, captive environments like wildlife sanctuaries, extremely rare in the wild. Behavior, mix of jaguar stealth and lion social trait. 4. Zonkey, the hybrid of the zebra and a donkey type equine hybrid. Parentage, male zebra, female donkey, sometimes reversed appearance. Striped legs like a zebra. Body often resembles a donkey. Coat color varies. Size, similar to a donkey or small horse. 3-5 feet tall at the shoulder. Habitat, captive farms and wildlife reserves, extremely rare in the wild. Behavior, mix of donkey, stubbornness, and zebra alertness, very hardy. Reproduction, usually sterile like most hybrids. 5. Humpless camel, dromedary without hump. Type camel variant. Appearance looks like a regular camel but lacks the characteristic humps on its back, usually in captivity or desert regions where mutations occur. Diet, typical camel diet, grasses, shrubs, and desert vegetation. Behavior same as normal camels. Hardy, able to survive harsh desert conditions. Fun fact, the absence of humps is usually due to genetic mutation or developmental. 6. DZO, the hybrid of a yak and domestic cattle type. Bovine hybrid. Parentage, male yak, female domestic cow. Appearance, sturdy, muscular build, shaggy coat like a yak, sometimes smaller. Horn size larger than typical cattle. Well adapted to high altitude conditions. Habitat, Himalayan regions, Nepal, Tibet, Bhutan, Mongolia. Behavior, hardy, strong, and used for plowing. Transport and milk production. Reproduction, male dozo are usually sterile, female hybrid zomo are fertile and often bred. Further, 7. Growler bear, the hybrid of a grizzly and a polar bear. Type, bear hybrid. Parentage, grizzly bear, southern polar bear. Appearance, mix of grizzly's brown fur and polar bear's white yellowish coat. Muscular build size, usually larger than grizzlies but smaller than some polar bears. Weight 400 and 800 kilograms. 880,000 pounds. Habitat, Arctic and subarctic regions, mostly in captivity but occasional. Wild sightings due to overlapping ranges. Behavior combines hunting and swimming skills. Adaptable diet, from fish, seals, berries. 8. Beefalo, the hybrid of domestic cattle and American bison. Type, bovine hybrid. Parentage, domestic cow swine, American bison buffalo appearance. Looks mostly like a cow but larger, with a bison-like hump, darker coat, and thicker fur. Size, larger and stronger than typical cattle. Weighs 900,000 kilograms, 8,000 kilograms. Habitat, farms and ranches in North America, bred for meat. Production behavior, hardy, resistant to cold and disease. Grazes like cattle but can survive harsher conditions. Reproduction, fertile, and selectively bred for desirable traits. 9. Hinny, the hybrid of a male horse and a female donkey. Type, equine hybrid, parentage, male horse, sivan female donkey. Appearance, smaller than a mule, body resembles a horse but with shorter ears, and thicker coat. Size, typically 3-5 feet tall at the shoulder, similar to donkeys or small horses. Behavior, generally gentle and intelligent, can inherit stubbornness from the donkey side. Reproduction, usually sterile, like most equine hybrids. Habitat, domestic farms, rarely seen in the wild. Spider goat, the genetically modified goat. Type, genetically engineered hybrid goat with spider silk genes. Parentage, domestic goat plus inserted genes from golden orb weaver spiders. Appearance, looks like a normal goat. Superpower, produces spider silk proteins in its milk, which can be harvested and spun into super strong, flexible silk. Purpose, scientific research for biomaterials, medical sutures, and protective fabrics. Habitat, laboratory, and research farms. Reproduction, normal goat reproduction. Silk trait, inherited through genetic engineering. Comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because the world of real superpowers is only just beginning. Scene.